Hello once again dudes, my name is Mil and welcome to another CSS tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to be working more with text boxes. And actually let's go ahead and give this some modifications. I wanna call this font size uh, PT and let's go ahead and refresh it and see how it looks. Pretty fine to me, and let's give it a font face. Fun family, that's what I meant. Fun family, I don't know what we should give it. I'm call it impact. Yeah, impact. Impact looks fine. So let's go ahead. Alright. So what I'm going to do now, I'm gonna make like a little scenario. Like, let's say that there were some people that had some boxes. I know it sounds weird, and I'll go move it. But let's say that they had some boxes, and we're going to give them like a room that don't float into each other. Not this the way. Number one. I remember spell right. Alright, I'm just gonna be like that. So let's say, alright, this is number one. So let's go ahead and copy this whole thing and give some modifications. This is going to be do 2. It's going to have a yellow border and it's going to have a red background and the text is going to be blue. Let's see how that looks. So we're going to be like adding another paragraph saying like the ID is do 2 and number 2. So let's go ahead and refresh it and see how it looks. As you can see, it goes down below. And how does this decide? Because we're using paragraphs. But let's go ahead and say that we're using paragraphs. Let's go ahead and say we're using text and text. So, as you know from my HTML tutorials, this is totally different from paragraph. So let's go ahead and refresh it. As you can see, now it goes up here, but we can't see it totally. So using paragraph is probably the best idea, cause it keeps it like in sentences. So let's use a paragraph here and a paragraph there. Alright, paragraphs is the best choice. So let's go ahead and add a dude number 3. And he's going to be like having a blue border and where's the background? It's going to be white, and the text is going to be orange. Okay, so we're going to be like adding dude number 3 here, and remember set the ID correctly, and let's refresh it. So as you can say, it by using the ID and the paragraph, it puts it vertical, and otherwise horizontal, or the other way around. I can't remember. Sorry. But let's say that we wanted to have like, how can I explain it? We wanted to have like a box around these boxes. Well, a thing we can do, as far as I'm concerned. Well, that's for the next tutorial, actually, guys. So basically, here they have like their own style and they're not going into each other. So basically, that's it for this tutorial, guys. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.